Magandang araw. Good day, everybody. I'll be teaching you how to insert images slash videos inside of text, CAPCUT PC version. Okay, once we get your video slash images imported from your computer, make sure to drag and slide your video or image over to the layer. For one of my examples, I've decided to use one of my gameplay footages that I simply recorded from Halo Infinite. Okay, so the next step is to simply click and highlight your video, and then look over to the right side of your computer, and then with the click of your mouse button, click on Mask. After you click on Mask, then go over to Add Mask. After seeing something like this or something similar, then go over to the text mask. And then it should simply look like this. Then after that, you can just simply add whatever text you want. For example, you can add, for the title of the video, you can add text mask as for example, or whatever text you want to add. You can go over to the video, you can simply drag and expand or minimize however you want your text to look like. Let's just say for example that you want it big like this. Okay, so right after you have your text in place, you can go over to the right side of your monitor. After you have your text mask in place, you can go over to the font and change whatever font you want. You can also change the size of the font, and yeah, you can basically mess around with any of these settings to your liking. So yeah, that's basically about it. If you have any questions in relations to what has been taught in this video, please leave a question in the comment section down below. And furthermore, thank you guys so much for making it towards the end of the video. Please let me know how I did on guiding you throughout the entire process. If anything else, if you guys like my personality and want to see more of me, please considering subscribing, liking, and sharing this video as well. Or even hype up this video. It will help my channel grow a lot with your help. If you guys like my personality, you can find me on my Twitch, my vlogging channel, and you can find all of the other socials that I haven't mentioned in this video down in the description below. Well, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I am your host, Scarlet Candy, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye bye.